What is up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. And if you are new, welcome. I'm Renee. This is the Grace Gang. So as you guys can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a Amazon wig review. Now, this wig was not sent to me. I brought this wig with my own money, okay? As y'all know, if it's not a Renee Grace video, if I don't drop something. But anyways, this is their 30-inch lace wig. It is a curly wig. It's supposed to be a kinky curly wig. It came with a hairnet. Okay, it came with these straps that you can put in to adjust it to fit your head perfectly. This wig fit my head a little big because I got a little tiny head, as you can see. But I ended up, securing it real tight so that it could fit my head to the snugness that I wanted it to be. So yes, this is a 30-inch 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. Okay, you get plenty of space to do, little styles. If you want to do a half up, half down, you can. Okay, this hair is true to length. When I tell you I'm in love with this wig, that I might buy another one in a different color, or I might buy another one just to be able to bleach it and have it in a different color, I probably will, but I don't know yet. But let's just talk about the shake when I shake this wig. Look at how pretty this hair is. Look at these curls. This texture is giving, okay? So, I'm about to serve. I'm about to serve. Okay, so this is what the curls look like fresh out the packet. When you look in the inside of the wig, you see you have some parting space to both ear tabs, and in the middle, it comes with 3 combs in the front. I end up taking them out. I don't like wig combs in my wigs. I like my wigs to lay flat. But we're gonna try this wig on without a wig cap. I just want to see if I have to do a ball cap method or not. Come to find out, I really didn't have to because I'm wearing the wig now in the middle part, and sis, it's serving. Okay, I'm gonna insert some pictures and stuff for y'all to see, but it's given and I'm loving it. But yeah, the frontal definitely needs to be plucked. They said it was pre-plucked. It needs to be plucked a little more. I didn't pluck it too much because, well, I'm not a pro at that kind of thing, and I wasn't trying to make her bald-headed. So yeah. So I'm just checking to see where I want to cut my ear tabs. Please make sure you're checking to see where you cut your ear tabs, sis, because ain't nobody got time to be having the wig lace irritating the back of your ear, baby. So we're going to do our ball cap. I'm not going to get into detail on the ball cap, okay? A ball cap is a ball cap. If you want a more in-depth video of how I do my ball caps, leave a comment down below, okay, sis? But honestly, I didn't even go into depth in how I did this. I literally just did it real fast and did half of it on camera, half of it off camera. Okay, so at this point, I already applied some I don't even know what people call it anymore. I applied some of that whole spray just to lay my lace down, get it started. And we're just going to jump into cutting the clips, apparently. Okay, y'all, so take a good look at the wig. This is before I wash her, okay? This is the texture. It's giving, it's sexy, it's pretty curls, it's tight curls, okay? We gonna get into it after the fact, but let's get into this ball cap real quick. Okay, so I am just cutting my stocking cap, and then I'm going to spray some EBIN lace tint spray on my ball cap. I also sprayed this in my wig after I washed it and blow dried it for a little bit just to get the spray to dry. I love this spray. I don't use foundation. I don't use concealer. I literally just use this spray. And in a minute, you're going to see why. I just use this spray. So I'm just using some alcohol pads to wipe my head clean of any excess glue, just because I want my wig to stick the best that it can. So I'm going to wipe my skin of all excess glue from applying the ball cap that just was too far up. Anything of that nature got to go. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with some EBIN hold spray, wig hold spray. I love this spray. It has a very good hold. I know the girlies are onto the bold hold and the lace glues. I can't do it because I don't want to wear my wig 24/7, 365, nor am I going to take a shower and wash it in the shower. So I just use this. It holds well for me. It holds as long as I need it to hold. I don't sweat it out. It be chilling. And I also go in with some Got To Be glue gel, because that's just like extra security. Since it is a curly wig, you gotta make sure it's extra secure, because you're gonna have to wet her up to get her to style, baby. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys the lace. Of course, I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't go deep into it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, because why? I didn't feel like it. But look at the length, okay? I am 5'5", 5'6", doctors would say. This hair stops right above my butt, and it is extra curly. Look at how juicy these curls are. I haven't even applied product yet. This is literally like fresh after being washed. No product applied. Curls are amazing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all though. This wig does shed, okay? She sheds a lot. She has a curly wig, but she sheds a lot. But look at that lace. Look at the lace. I know you can see the little whatevers. I don't care nothing about that, because we finna fix it. But yeah, she sheds, baby. And that's the only downside I see about this wig. It sheds a lot. So we gonna go ahead and glue down the pieces that did not glue, because we can't have our sides flapping away in the wind, baby. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, so I done cut off one side of my lace. I'm going to go in and cut the other side off in a minute. It's giving very much, it looks good, okay? We're not going to say what lace, because we all know it's a lace, but let's get into it. I'm going to cut the little side pieces. I love me the little side pieces by the ear. I don't know what you call that. Sideburn, whatever you want to call it. I love me a good sideburn. So we're going to go ahead and cut us some little sideburn pieces, okay? Alright, so we're going in with another alcohol pad and cleaning up the excess gel, because if it's not needed, it has to go. You already know this. Girl, this joint burnt, okay? I had popped a pimple on my face, and I happened to just lay my lace over it on accident, and I went over it with that damn alcohol pad, and it was burning. It was burning so much. But this wig is giving. I love everything about this wig. The curls are gorgeous. The lace is good. I'm probably going to go in and bleach the knots in this wig once I decide to wear it in the side part again. But until then, I'm not bleaching no knots. Nope. Okay, so now I am just making sure all my pieces are laid flat. My edges always take the longest to lay flat, so yeah. We're about to go in with this edge booster stick just to flat iron the hair so you can see my part more and so that the hair just lays much more flatter. I don't go crazy with the, I said a flat iron, girl, hot comb. I don't go crazy with the hot comb just because I don't want to lose the curls, but I did go in and just hot comb some pieces just to get it to lay flat. All right, so now we're getting ready to go in with some mousse. When you apply the mousse, it does help with the texture. This hair is going to get big on you, okay? I know a lot of curly hair does get big, but it ain't gonna get big like this gets big. This hair is really a kinky texture wig because even if you put mousse in it and regular hair products, she is going to get big. It's just the way it is, which I don't mind. So if you are a fan of a big hair, big curly hair, this is the wig for you, sis. I love this wig. This is definitely going to be my summertime wig. Also, this wig did not have a smell to it. You know how you order a wig and it always have a smell to it? This wig had no smell to it. Before I washed it and even after I washed it, like it was just the smell of shampoo. There was no undertone of nothing else. But girl, the hair is giving. The lace is lacing, okay? I have no complaints. Okay, so clearly I'm feeling myself, okay? Because girl, this hair is giving, like I said throughout the whole entire video. I'm feeling myself. I'm about to post on Instagram so y'all can see it. Like, I'm serving looks without the makeup, without the fit. But yes, I will leave the link down below for this wig so you guys can go ahead and purchase it, okay? I did attempt to put it in the middle part, but I was so in love with the side part that I just was like, nope, not even gonna try it. And I ended up trying it anyways later on. But yeah, this wig is a go-to, baby. I wish I can get it in a different color and not just in black. Okay, so at this point, I'm completely feeling myself. I haven't stopped looking in the mirror. I can't stop touching the hair. I'm actually touching it a lot to see if it'll lose its form, which it hasn't, nor has it frizzed up on me too crazy. This wig dries super fast, so if you want it to retain moisture, it's not gonna happen, baby. It's a kinky hair wig. Kinky hair wigs dry fast. Kinky hair dries fast. But yeah, I'm feeling myself. It's given, it grew out of my scalp, and you can't tell me otherwise. But if you made it this far, sis, and you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post, okay? Also, follow me on Instagram, which will be linked down below, TikTok, and Twitter. And until next time, you already know what I'm going to say, so say it with me. We out. Peace.